Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm unboxing and taking a closer look at a brand new flash from Godox. This is the Godox iM20. So I have with me the brand new flash here from Godox. This is the iM20 flash. Now, if you've had a look at Godox's recent releases in terms of flashes, they've been releasing a lot of compact flashes to suit mirrorless cameras or the smaller form factor cameras, especially ones without a pop-up flash or an inbuilt flash. We've unboxed and reviewed a similar flash to this, the iM30. If you want to take a closer look at that video, click the link up above. We have the iM20 here with us, which is an alternative to the iM30. And this one's a lot smaller and compact. Let's take a look at what's inside. So the first thing we see immediately is the flash itself, and initial thoughts are that it's quite a small and compact flash there. Palm of my hand, quite small there. Suitable definitely for compact cameras. And on the inside here we have a box which has a pouch. It's nice, got a bit of Godox branding there. It feels like a velvet type of material. And we also have a charging cable here. It's USB type A to type C, as well as, of course, the user guide. So this is the iM20, and you can see it's a super small and compact flash. It's obviously not going to have a whole lot of output being a small and compact flash. It's even smaller than the iM30 flash, which was previously released. And the main difference with this one here is that it's actually a USB Type-C charge. So that means it has a lithium-ion battery on the inside, which is approximately 470 milliamps. And that battery allows about 440 full power flashes on this unit here before you're needing to charge it. It takes approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes to charge, so it's not too long there. It's definitely one of those mini light sources that you can bring with you in a pinch, especially if you're in a low light situation. It's more of a casual type of, lighting source or flash that you can use with compact type cameras such as the Sony Alphas or the Fuji X series. Those are great sort of companions with this here, given the form factor. Now, the unit itself is quite small. It's only 31 grams. And the dimensions are approximately 39 by 38 by 29.5 millimeters. So it's quite small. It's only like a 4 by 4 centimeter cube. And you can see on the underside here is a hot shoe. This hot shoe here is a single metal pin hot shoe, which means that it's a universal flash and will essentially work with pretty much any camera that has a hot shoe. And you can see the plate itself, or the hot shoe plate, is inbuilt. It's all one piece here. It's part of the body. And it's not one of those ones that has a metal plate sticking out. And there's little grooves on the side there that allow it to slide into your camera's hot shoe. And on the side here, you've got some Godox branding. You've got the USB Type-C port on the side, and obviously the flash itself here. Now on the back, is obviously the most important part, which is the place that we can control the output of the flash itself. So to turn it on, just have to hold down there. And then there's a green flashing indicator that shows that it's initiating. And you can see there's actually a total of 5 steps of output. And there's 5 dots representing this, or 5 positions for that LED light. A simple plus or minus to control it. And you can shoot off a test fire here as well. And the test fire, you can see the green dot is actually still solid, but if we go up to a higher output and hit a test fire, the green dot's actually flashing, which means that it's still recycling. Now the recycle time is approximately 3 seconds or so, and that's on the higher output. So it's not the fastest recycle time for a flash, but it is a really small unit here, you can see. So it's not one that you'll be using in like a fast-paced environment such as an event or anything like that. It's one where you can take your time, compose the shot, use this as your lighting source. Obviously this is going to be quite directional, so it's going to be pointing at your subject. There's probably a few ways that you can DIY diffuse this a little bit if you wanted, maybe just putting a sheet of diffusion over the front. You can probably tape something on there if you wanted that to be less harsh, but it really is just a lighting source that you can use in a pinch. Now let's increase that intensity there, fire that off. It took about 5 blinks of that green indicator at the full output to recycle. The advantage of this here over the iM20 is not only its compact size, but also the lithium-ion battery on the inside. So that allows it to recycle just a little bit faster in terms of the recycle time, whereas the iM30 is relying on AAA batteries that you provide, so that's really dependent, the recycle time is dependent on the quality of those batteries and the output of those batteries providing power to the flash unit. Now you can see I've actually got the iM30 here with me, and it's literally about a third of the size of the unit. So it really is a compact unit there. The iM30 is a larger flash unit. It would provide a bit more output there as well overall. The iM30 has slave functionality as well as an optical sensor. As mentioned, it is powered via AAA batteries that you supply. Has a few more stops of output there in terms of the control in the iM30, and also the hot shoe is slightly different there. So this is your standard metal hot shoe plate, still a single metal pin just like that, but you've got this locking wheel here that clamps it down and locks it into your hot shoe, whereas once again this has grooves on the side there, so that simply slides in and really is a more compact flash option. So I've got a Sony Alpha here, this is the a6700, and I just wanted to show you how that looks on top of a camera just like that. It's very compact and streamlined, as you can see. I've got this really big silence corner bracket here, so if you didn't have that, you can see that it's actually going to be a very compact type of setup there with the small flash on the top. The iM30 is still very compact, so I'll just put that on for comparison. Still very compact, but you can see the iM20 almost looks like it was, you know, an addition or part of the camera body itself, because it's not obtrusive whatsoever as opposed to, say, a larger flash setup. Both are really good. It just depends on the amount of output you want. Do you want the ability to have the USB Type-C charge? And do you like a bit more output and slave functionality so you can use this with, say, multiple flashes in a setup, if that's something that you're after. So that was my quick unboxing and review of the iM20 Flash from Godox. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the Godox iM20. Follow us on socials, the links are down below, and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.